Welcome to Joshua's cooking show. So I'm gonna show you what's my favorite, I guess food to make in this cooking show. I haven't made a cooking show in this video, in this YouTube channel, but now we're gonna try. But I only got one favorite, so I gotta figure out how to do it. Uh, um, I gotta make bread. Some bread. I forgot. Oh, flour. Where's the flour? Bread, flour, and then eat. Uh, Get the bread, the meat. I'm trying to figure out how to make it. Um, I know there's a way. Um, wait. Now we do this. I think we put you, and then we put you, and I think that's it. I think that's it, really. Just hold on. Um, yep, this is my favorite food right here. That's what I like. So, that was it for the video I made. So, I like and subscribe. Wait, um, let me try to get to you guys. This is the food I like, some of my cooking shows. So, like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.